Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect Hostinger domain to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post, we have stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Hostinger domain to Blogger. So first of all, select Hostinger as your domain register. So you have to go to your settings, and here you will have your domains. So scroll down, and here you can put that in. Then go to choose the blog where you want to put the domain. Then go and under publishing, click on custom domain, as you can see we have here. And then, for example, put in the www prefix and click save. Then go to Hostinger account and navigate to the DNS management section. Add the following CNAME records provided by Blogger. And that might take for up to 24 hours, just so you know. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.